The Kwik-Trench from Little Beaver is a compact, easy-to-use mini-trencher great for landscape and do-it-yourself projects. Its compact, push-forward design makes it a safe, efficient solution for installing sprinkler lines, low-voltage wiring, landscape edging, and more. In this video, we'll demonstrate proper steps for simple and successful trenching. With the Kwik-Trench in position, start the engine and allow it to warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. When the engine is warm, throttle it up to operating speed. Now, standing behind the Kwik-Trench, keep your left hand on the handle and use the other to turn the depth control handle counterclockwise until the blade reaches the proper depth. With the blade lowered, push the trencher forward along your desired path. To cut a straight trench, make sure the trencher is lined up properly and lock the rear swivel wheel in position. When you reach the end, lift the blade from the ground using the depth control handle. Then, shut off the engine and fuel. After the rest of your work is done, it's time to backfill. Scrape the mound of dirt back into the trench using a shovel.